When you talk about window replacement, I love going to the homeowner, going to their house, meeting with them, looking at what they currently have, seeing if that's the type of window that's meeting their needs, whether it's a wood window with aluminum cladding, strictly a wood window, or a vinyl window. Vinyl windows these days can be just as energy efficient as a wood window at a huge savings. So walking around a customer's home with them, talking colors of windows, what's more important to them, how do they want their windows to open and operate, and then talking about energy efficiency, and then price, of course. So lots of different varieties of windows you can put in at different prices. Most windows that we work with these days, whether it be a wood with aluminum or vinyl cladding on the outside, the vinyl windows, they are already double paned. You're looking at 3/4 to 1 inch between those panes filled with argon gas. And that's stopping that hot and cold transfer from going from inside to outside. You get the low E treatment on there that keeps the UV rays out in the summer, and then allows them to come in and help heat your home in the winter. So glass is very important when it comes to your window replacement, and having the right glass is correct. Every window I deal with is minimum double pane. If you live right on an interstate or on a highway, we can talk about triple pane, and that is going to cut down on your noise levels. But for 90% of homes out there, a double pane is going to work just great for you.